Yeah, another good movie, another good video from Alaf, the Amiga freak, the Norwegian crazy Amiga freak. The sky is pretty blue, a little cloudy, but I guess you can tell by the sound. Another waterfall. Here we are in Mo I Rana. It's about. This is about 30 kilometers north of Mo I Rana. This is what they call in Norwegian Grønfjelldalen, or Green Mountain Valley. It's spring now. Today is 18th of May. Happy birthday, biker! Bike has birthday today. I guess pictures tells more than 1,000 words. Some years ago, a truck driving milk went outside the road here. But now, as you can tell, hang on. It's a fence here, a road fence. But he drove out in the river, and sadly he died. He drowned. He could not get out of the truck. A lorry, or truck, or whatever. And here, over here, I'm proud to present my grandmother. I'm proud to present my grandmother. She is born in 1928. And she has a big smile around his face. And over there you can see my car. This is my grandmother. Say hello. Say hey. Say hey, boy. Du må rope det. This is grandma. She's very young in her mind. She says, I feel only 20 to 25 years old, Tommy, she says. Well, peace with the milkman, the milkman driver, the milk driver. What? What did you say, Grandma? She says I have to first log and take it